Hi guys, this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another makeup video. So if you guys want to know how I get this look, then please keep watching. So starting with clean and prime face, for the primer I'm using Face Blur from Etude House. So for the foundation I'm using Maybelline 24-hour Superstay foundation. I'm in the side 220.
These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
So next step is concealing, and as always I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light. I like this concealer. This is my favorite because this is the best, at least for my skin.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head.
So to set my concealer in place, I'm going to use my RCMA setting powder. So for the brows, I'm going to use my Benefit Go Proof Brow Pencil. I'm in the number 3. So now I'm dusting all my setting powder with my powder brush. And then to make my brow more sharp and clean, I'm going to use this Benefit brow highlighter. So now I'm setting my eyelid with the same RCMA setting powder to make my eyeshadow blend smoothly. So for the eyeshadow, I'm using this Huda Beauty Texture Eyeshadow Palette and taking these two colors as my transition color. So now I'm going to apply this burgundy color just below that transition color and blending really well just to make sure my both eyes look similar. So now I'm going to apply the same concealer all over my eyelid as a base for my glitter eyeshadow. So now I'm going to use this Stella glitter. It's on the shade Smoky Storm all over my eyelid. So here I am smoking out my lower lash line, pretty much same as upper eyelid. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to use this Maybelline eyeliner and creating a small wing. Okay, so back to my face. Here I am contouring my face with my Etude House contour stick, especially my cheekbone, nose and forehead. So now I'm going to use this ELF bronzing powder to set my contour. Okay, so to highlight my face, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, especially on my cheekbone, inner corner, brow bone, nose and a little bit on my cupid's bow as well. So now I'm going to add a little bit of blush from the same highlighter palette. So finally for the lipstick, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick. I'm in the shade Girlfriend. So alright guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.